Well, we have been extremely busy on Windfall 2.0. If you remember this stuff, I know everything's a mess in here, but we have been just going to town in here. So this stuff here, try to keep you some lighting on here. I got all this stuff and I need to pull it out. This stuff here was basically kind of like this stuff here. It's kind of a cushion, you know, kind of a cushion, but it was all rotted from years and years of being wet and then moldy. And so I replaced all of it, all the way around. And I replaced it with cedar because cedar doesn't rot. It's white cedar. I'd love to have red cedar, but in Michigan, you know, we have an abundance of red or white cedar, and it's fairly reasonable price, not super duper. But I put all that in there. I sanded these all down and put them a new coat of like teak stuff on there, kind of like the table. I got the table all in here too. Sanded that all down and varnished that with polyurethane. So then the other thing we've been working on, or I've been working on, is this here. Let me make sure my thing's recording here. This was a huge microwave that did not work, and it was 30 some years old. You know, 35 years old, I guess, and it just didn't heat anymore, and it was just extremely heavy from being, you know, the old first microwaves are just extremely heavy. So I got this little guy almost brand new off of the marketplace, and it's just a perfect little microwave for the boat, just to warm something up. And again, I put cedar all in here. These here I will sand down and put a new coat on, and then these will kind of trim it out here. You know, they'll go in there and trim it out, and we'll get that all in there. We'll varnish this all nice, but that's all secured in there and plugged in the back and everything done, and that was cleaned out back in there. So that's another little project that's done. You can see the remnants of all that rotted stuff when I was tearing it off. I didn't even realize how bad it really was, but it is just terribly rotted. So I got that all out of there. The next thing is I'm going to take these pieces off here. I'll take these pieces off here and I'll sand them down to give them a new coat. This here we're going to peel off and redo with cedar around there, and I'm going to make it a little, try to get this light to kind of shine on here. I'm going to get this, make this a little bit taller so it can actually carry some stuff in there, keys or I don't know, some diving stuff maybe or whatever, I don't know. And I'll take these off and sand them and give them a new coat. But I'm going to put hardwood on here, or not hardwood, but cedar on here, and then varnish it and that, and it'll look a little nicer. Just gets all that outdated stuff. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff for diving in Florida. A dive housing, and then the red filters and stuff, which will help out for diving in Florida. And I have ordered a few other things. Let's see here. I guess that is about the extent of what we've done so far. We've got some new fenders under there. We've got the new anchor that we picked up, the Delta there for a stern anchor. And so yeah, that's I guess about it. And I'll show you some more as we keep going here. It's early morning. I'm just having a cup of coffee, and yeah, I get ready. Oh, I want to take all these little lights here and everything, and mount them all in here, all the way around in here. And then I'll put the solar thing on here, and that'll be kind of cool, I think, for some lighting in here. Solar, I wouldn't mind ordering a couple more of those. I'm going to try and order possibly some POC lights. Take these out of here and throw them out, and then put maybe 4 POC lights in there for small LEDs. They'll look better. They'll be a little bit nicer. So yeah, I just keep picking away, you know, trying to make, and this is all working good with the fridge and everything. I do have to get back in here and redo the electrical outlet in the back there. It's I have to pull that out of there and wire in a better receptacle, because it's loose in there, and the microwave is actually into that one too, and it's just not very good. So I'm going to try and fix that. But this is going to be all hooked to DC once it gets going. It's on AC now, but all right, I'm going to get busy with finishing coffee and get back to this stuff. Well, we did get everything for the most part done. We redid this with wood, with red oak, and then varnished it, and repainted this, revarnished this. Well, that got restained, and then of course we did do this piece over here, restained that piece, and we changed the door. I didn't like it. I wanted it to fit flush, so I just made it so it would fit flush in there, and then trimmed it out with some red oak, and then varnished that. Put a little light over here on and stuff so it can be seen a little better. But and then of course we varnished the microwave all in, and put the trim pieces on and everything. So that's done. So for the most part, that is the majority of what I wanted to get done, and we got that all done the other day. So we're now ready to start on some other stuff, which I'm not sure. We'll probably take these pieces off gradually and sand them down, restain them, and these pieces here, and maybe over here, and the door we might wait till we go to Florida, because like I said, there'll be stuff to do there. So anyway, yeah, it looks good. I like it. Everything's one thing I do want to do, and I won't probably do it for a while, but I want to put a piece of stainless steel, not stainless steel, but aluminum trim on here, a little angle piece, which will cover up that and this here and stuff. It'll just make it look nice, be kind of a nice little finish piece. So all right, try and get this stuff done and edited and throw it up for you guys. And then the next one we'll do is we'll try and get this, go get some snorkeling in the river and stuff, and try this red filter, and then without the red filter, just see if it makes any difference, and try that out. But we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. Hey guys, from Windfall 2.0, appreciate all you guys watching the videos. Appreciate all you guys sharing, commenting. 2 more Patreons. Shout goes out to Travis. Thanks again for the donation on the PayPal. Appreciate it, for some gas money towards the boat, for doing some bumming around down there in Florida and in the Keys. And yeah, I'm glad you guys are along. I think it's going to be a great winter. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we're hoping to get out of here just as quick as we possibly can. As soon as we get the medical clearance, which in 2 days I go for that, and we'll know in a week or so of that, and we're clear to go, and it's off and running. Get down there, get some snorkeling in, get some catching of some crabs and some lobster, and doing some serious fishing with this boat. I've been looking for some good poles down there to pick up when we get down there, and at least get a couple. We've got our small poles, but we want to get some bigger ones for the out in the ocean and whatnot. So hey guys, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.